Hey guys, Wilson with Premiere here with a different sort of project that we are beginning today. Now, most of you who follow us are probably used to us protecting the surfaces of $100,000 cars to multi-million-dollar cars. So this is just a little bit different. On the flip side of Premiere, we have a commercial side where we deal specifically with Stoneguard, and that's what you're seeing here. Stoneguard is a nanotechnology patented film that protects marble and natural stone surfaces. And this is the world's first and only of this type that has the technology that is designed specifically for this purpose. So we are beginning this project today, and along with all the other stone countertops inside this home. And I just wanted to do a quick video so that you could see the process and get a feel for what this is. And thank you for watching. Alright, we are done with this Stoneguard installation on this bar top. We will move on to the other parts of the house, but this top right now is Stain and Etch proof. It's also anti-microbial, and it is heat resistant up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so it solves all the issues that normally comes with a marble countertop such as this. And interior designers, architects, homeowners can now use exotic stones such as calicata and make their designs a lot more creative, and serves them well. So we'll see you in the next video.